Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content, right? So first of all, we will go into the Twitter mobile application here, and right now we are in the home, and we have to just click on the top right side corner, this star icon, right? So basically you have to select this view content preferences, and here right now you can't see that feature to turn off the sensitive content in the mobile application, but I'm going to give you a solution. You can see it in the web browser, right? So you have to just log in into, you have to type on the search bar Twitter, and you have to log in into the Twitter, right? After login into the Twitter, you will just get into the home page of Twitter, and here you have to do the same thing. You have to just click on the top right side corner, the star icon, and after that you have to click on view content preferences, and here you have to select the search setting, and right in front of you guys you can see this feature, hide sensitive content, right? So I will just check it on once again. So this is it guys. Basically you can turn it on or turn it off in your web browser, in any of the web browser, or if you're using on a PC, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful. If you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.